Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up SMS on Klaviyo. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, is we would like to set up SMS. And of course, if you want to do that, we can simply click on campaigns on this left panel here. Once we click there, we can simply click at create a campaign. And from here, you can choose email or SMS. As we said, we would like SMS, click at set up SMS. And here, of course, SMS is just supported in these four countries: United States, Canada, Australia, or United Kingdom. So choose where you want to send the SMS on, or let's start by choosing the country you plan to send the SMS in. Let's say, as an example, for me, it's the United States. So once you guys select United States, of course, you can select more than one. And for me, United States, click on next. That will take me to this option. Here, you'll have to enter your company informations. So let me try to fill that up if it's working. So of course, once you enter everything, you'll have to verify the phone number that you entered. And of course, just keep hitting the next button. So let's just wait for this page until it loads. As you can see here, you can create a sign up form, or you can upload the SMS subscribers. For me, I'm just going to create a sign up form as an example. Of course, if they ask you to log in again into your account, just go and do it. So I might have maybe some problems with my account, but for you, you can just create your form super easily and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.